The future of structural simulation. Virtual testing explained. Why virtual testing matters. In the past, structural testing meant building physical prototypes, applying loads, and analyzing results through hands-on experiments. While effective, this approach was costly, time-intensive, and limited to a narrow set of real-world scenarios. Today, we're witnessing a transformative shift. Virtual testing, powered by structural simulation, allows engineers to replicate real-world forces digitally, reducing the need for physical trials and opening the door to faster, safer, and smarter design. This is not just evolution, it's a revolution in how we innovate. What is structural simulation? Structural simulation uses computer models to test how structures behave under various forces such as stress, pressure, heat, or vibration. One of the most widely used methods is finite element analysis, or FEA, which breaks a structure into smaller elements to calculate its behavior under load. This allows engineers to spot weaknesses, optimize geometry, and make changes before anything is built. The result? Safer structures, lower costs, and much faster development cycles. It's the digital version of a crash test, but far more versatile and infinitely repeatable. The rise of AI in simulation. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a core component of simulation. Machine learning models trained on thousands of past simulations can now predict structural behavior with impressive accuracy, often in a fraction of the time. AI also helps optimize designs by quickly evaluating millions of design combinations to find the most efficient, cost-effective, and structurally sound options. Instead of running hundreds of tests manually, engineers can now rely on AI to guide them towards smarter, data-driven decisions in real time. Cloud computing and collaboration. One of the biggest barriers to traditional simulation was hardware. It required powerful, expensive machines to run complex calculations. Cloud computing changes that completely. Today, engineers can run high-fidelity simulations using scalable, on-demand cloud platforms. This enables real-time collaboration across teams, departments, and even continents. Engineers, designers, and manufacturers can now work together simultaneously on the same virtual model, test different scenarios, and make decisions faster than ever before. Easier, smarter tools for everyone. Modern simulation platforms are no longer reserved for expert analysts. Thanks to intuitive interfaces, built-in automation, and simplified workflows, more professionals, including product designers and architects, can perform their own virtual tests. With just a few clicks, users can run stress tests, thermal analysis, or dynamic load simulations. This democratization of simulation tools allows for early-stage validation, reducing costly design errors and encouraging a more innovative, agile design process. Industry applications and green innovation. The impact of virtual testing is being felt across nearly every industry. In aerospace, engineers simulate flight conditions before building a single part. In automotive, vehicles are crash-tested digitally to meet safety standards and save development costs. In construction, buildings are tested against earthquakes and wind loads virtually. What's more, simulation helps reduce environmental impact, allowing engineers to use fewer materials, choose sustainable alternatives, and design for long-term energy efficiency. Green engineering is no longer idealistic. It's becoming the standard. What the future holds. Looking ahead, the next frontier is real-time simulation. Imagine a bridge equipped with sensors that monitor stress and adapt maintenance schedules automatically, or buildings that respond to seismic activity based on live data. We're also moving toward multi-physics simulation, where engineers simulate not just structural stress, but also fluid dynamics, thermal behavior, and electrical interactions all at once. Combine that with augmented reality, and you have engineers walking through digital models, seeing live feedback on design changes in 3D space. The future of simulation is interactive, intelligent, and deeply immersive. Final thoughts. Simulation is the new standard. We've reached a turning point. Virtual testing isn't just a tool for engineers. It's becoming the foundation of modern design and innovation. It enables faster development, smarter decisions, and more sustainable outcomes. Whether you're designing a skyscraper, a smartphone, or a spacecraft, Structural simulation allows you to push boundaries with confidence. It's no longer a luxury, it's essential. The future is virtual, and it's being tested one simulation at a time. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of engineering and innovation. This is Blueprint to Reality, where ideas get built.